This is a 1957 Pontiac Star Chief two-door hardtop, and the two-door hardtops were known as the custom Catalinas. Pontiac called their hardtops Catalinas starting way back. Beautiful engine here, 347 cubic inch engine, white and blue exterior, which is matched by the white and blue interior. This perfect condition. Looks like original type coverings here in the interior. There's the hydromatic and a very chromy dash there. Lots of chrome. Steering wheel is a very deluxe one. This is the top of the line. There were 32,864 of this model built this year, and I hope you notice the chrome bows there on the roof. Very deluxe touches. As you can see in that bumper, there is provision made for exhaust, but I'm glad they didn't do it on this car because inevitably those bumpers get stained because of the exhaust. It really has the look of a rocket ship. Of course, it's got the rocket right there on the side. You can see the radio speaker down in the middle there below the dash, and also the Kleenex dispenser. They were very popular. You notice that the chrome bands are gone from the car and the hood. We have a rocket ship there on the fender. This is a very nice car. Now we're going to pan all the way around to take a look at the windshield, and the car is for sale.